in these two, we have to find out a common highest multiplier. So if you take a 12 and 24, so 12 is here is a common highest one, and in the below one also 12 is a highest one. So if I take these two, okay, so here many are there. 2 is a common, 3 is a common, 4 is a common, 6 is a common, and 1 is a common. But in these all common things, we have to find out which is the highest common thing. So if you take a 12, so 12 will become a highest digit. Okay, so 12 will become a highest digit. So I can say what is the highest common factor in between 12 and 24. So that is a 12. So 12 is the highest common factor. Okay, so if I take now same example, one more type, 12, 24 and 60 and 48 and 108. So I'll take this series. So what I have to do, I have to find out what is the HCF in this question. So what we'll do, I'll just take it out 12 and 24 again. So if I take 12 and 24, so multipliers are 12, 4, 6 and 12, and 24 multipliers are 4, 6, 8, 12. Okay, so if I take these two, so this is the highest one. So 12 can divide my 60, and also 12 can divide my 48, and 12 can divide my 108. So here the HCF of this full series can be written as 12. So HCF of this full series can be written as 12. Why 12? So if you consider just starting 2, the highest common one will be 12. And if you write a multipliers of 60, if you write a multipliers of 48, and if you write a multipliers of 188, so you will get a highest number which divides all the digits will be a 12. So for that reason, I'll tell that इसका HCF क्या होगा 12. So highest common factor क्या होगा 12. So here what I said, no, this is a traditional method. Okay, this is a tradition or common method. क्या होता है when you solve in the exam, so आपको क्या लगता है if you use this method, we have to find list all the factors. तो एग्जाम पे क्या होना करते हम ये सभी फैक्टर्स को लिख के टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं. कैसे? आई हैव टू राइट ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12, आई हैव टू राइट अ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24, 60, 40. सो ये सभी फैक्टर्स लिखने में हमारा टाइम ज्यादा ले जाएगा. ओके, सो उसके लिए हमको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अ शॉर्ट मेथड. ओके, सो without writing these multipliers, okay, without writing these factors, we have to find out a common factor. Okay, so if you find out in a less than minute, in a small time, so you can easily solve quickly in the number of questions which are asked in the HCF. So if you go this method or this method, it will take a more time. So what we'll do, we'll see few methods. Okay, so in those we can see how we can quickly find out the common factors or a HCF. So here first I'll go to one simple method, like how we can find out in a easily. And before starting with what we do in the what we learned in the schools and all to find out a HCF, for example 5, 10 and 15, इसका HCF हम कैसे find out करते थे, हम ऐसे लिखते थे, we were writing 5 ones, 5 twos and 5 threes. Okay, so what will be the then, so this 5 will become a HCF. So that is a normal method to find out the HCF. So we learned with this how the smallest number which divides all the given numbers. Okay, that will become a common thing. Now how to find out in other way. For example, so I'll take a one question. This I'll take a method 1. Okay, so here I'll take a one question. Find the HCF of 6, 12 and 18. Okay, 6, 12 and 18. Okay, so here what is the first step? First step, we have to find out the small number. The small number here, find the small number. Okay, find the smallest number. So find the smallest number. So here is smallest number is 6. Okay. Then what we have to do? Check whether small number divides rest all the numbers. Rest all numbers. So हमको देख क्या मिला अभी? Small number पता है इधर. This is a small number. Then क्या करना है? Okay. क्या करना है? वो 6 whether मेरा 12 and 18 को divide करता है क्या चेक करना है. So my 6 can divide 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So if my 6 divides 18 and 12, or if my 6 divides remaining all the numbers, first method क्या था? First step क्या है? Find out the smallest number. The small number is 6. Okay. So check whether my 6 will divide the remaining two numbers. So if my remaining two numbers are dividing by the 6, so your HCF will be, therefore your HCF is 6. Okay. So what is the method here? First find out the smallest number, and if your smallest number divides remaining numbers, then that smallest number will become HCF. Okay. This is a one example. So this is a very small compared to a previous normal method. Yes. So same way, I'll take a one more example now. So what? 8, 20, 28 and 44. So what is the HCF here? So what's the HCF? So what I said, first find the smallest number. So here smallest number is what? 8. Okay. So whether my 8 divides 20? No. And whether my 8 divides 28? No. So whether my 8 divides 44? No. Then what I have to do? Find the factors. 8 हम कैसे लिख सकते? 2 into 4. Okay. So what are the factors of 8? 2 and 4. Then check whether my 2 divides all the numbers. So 2 divides here 8, 20 and 28 and 40. And the same whether my 4 will divides or not. So this is what? Small number. मुझे highest number check करना है. So whether my 4 divides all not. So 4 divides 8, 4 divides 20, 4 divides 28, 4 divides 44. So here HCF is 4. Why not 2? Because 2 is a small number and 4 is a highest number or a bigger number which divides all. So what is the first method? First मैंने क्या बोला? Find out the smallest number. 8 is the smallest number. So check 8 divides all the numbers. So it is not dividing here. Then write the factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 2 and 4. Then again, whether 2 divides? Yes. And whether 4 divides? Yes. So in among 2 and 4, 4 is a bigger one. So HCF is here 4. So HCF is here 4. So any doubts? समझ में आया ना ये ऐश्वर्या?
हाँ सर आला.
Okay. So this is a one method. अगर आपके smallest number divide नहीं हो रहा है तो उसके factors ले लो. Factor में कौन सा number ये सभी numbers को divide करता है वो number को consider करो. That will become your HCF. So here 4 is a HCF. So similarly, I'll take a one more one. So I'm telling this in the method 1. Okay, so I'll take a one more example. Here, the third example is 30, 42 and 135. Okay, 30, 42 and 135. So here, smallest number is what? 30. But 30 never divides 42 and 30 never divides 135. So उसके लिए क्या करना? Take a factors of 30. So 30 can be written as 30 has a factors. 15 is a factor of 30 and 6 is a factor of 30. Okay, and 5 is a factor of 30 and 3 is a factor of 30. Okay, so in this 15 ले लो, इज द हाईएस्ट नंबर, आई विल गो विद द हाईएस्ट नंबर. सो 15 को ले लो, वेदर मेरा 15 ये सभी नंबर को डिवाइड करता है क्या. So if I take a 15, it divides 30, but it not divides 42. It not divides 135. Okay, so 15 is cancelled. Take a 6. 6 divides 30. Yes. 6 divides 42. Yes, but it now divides 135. Then take a 5. 5 divides 30. Yes, but 5 not divides 42. Then take a 3. So 3 divides 30, and 3 divides 42, and 3 divides 135. So here your HCF is 3. So your HCF is 3. Now I think you all understood. Solve this. HCF of 24, 60, 84 and 108. So what is the HCF of this number? Give me answer.
12.
So if I take 24, it won't divide 60, it won't divide 84, it won't divide 19. So take a factors of 24. So I'll take a 12 and 6, and 4 also comes, and 3 also comes, 2 also comes, 1 also. So we'll check with the 12. So whether my 12 divides 24, yes. It divides 60, yes. It divides 84, yes. It divides 108, yes. So here HCF is 12.
12.
So your HCF is 12. So solve this one more. Just a second, I'll give. Find the HCF of find the HCF of 35, 40 and 50. Find the HCF of 35, 40 and 50. 35 is not divides 40 and not divides 50. So just take a factors of 35 only. So factors of 35, I'll go with the 5 and I'll go with the 7 and 5 and 7. So if I take a 5, it divides 35, it divides 40 and it divides 50. But my 7 will divide only 35. So I'll take a 5 as the answer. So here HCF is 5. Okay, this is the one method to solve the HCF, to find out the HCF very quickly. Okay, so we'll go with the next method now. So in the next method, what I'll do, I'll take one question now. So what is the HCF of 8 and 12? So here, whatever this method I'm telling, you have to check in quickly. Like ऐसे नहीं कि ये method सभी number को apply होगा. No. So based on the question, you have to choose a method. Okay. So in this method, we'll apply that differentiating. Okay. Or we'll do that subtracting. Okay. Say now HCF of 8 and 12. What I'll do? The previous method I told, which is the smallest number, 8. So what are the factors of 8? 2, 4, 2 and 4. So my 4 will divide 8 and 12. So HCF is 4. I know that method. So even better than that, take a difference. Take a difference. 12 minus 8. So is a 4. So your HCF is 4. Yes, correct. So same, I'll take a one more question. So what is the HCF of 21 and 35? Okay, 21 and 35. So in this case, if I take a difference, So 35 minus 21 is what? 14. But here, see here now again, 14 never divides 21 and it never divides 35. So take a factors of 14. So factors of 14, 2 and 7. So my 7 will divide 21 and 35. So here HCF is 7. Yes. So similarly, just you people try. HCF of 27 and 35. Okay, so take a difference between 35 minus 27, you will get a 8. So what are the, because 8 never divides 27 and 35, so factors of 8 are 2, 4. Okay, factors of 2, 4. Now what happens, 2 is also not dividing 27 and 4 is also not dividing 35. So LCM of these two will be a 1. Okay, so when you cannot divide with any steps, the HCM will become 1. Okay, because 8 will never divide 27 and 35, and 3 also not divides, 9 also not divides, 7 also not divides. So it has a 1 as a HCF. Okay, now it was easy to do. 2 digits were easy to do. So what I'll do, I'll take a 3 digits. I don't know the exact number. So HCF of 35, 40 and 50. Okay, what is the HCF? What is the HCF? Use a second method, not a first method. So here now 3 digits are there. In 2 digit, I was doing a differentiation. So here also do the differentiation, not differentiation, take a difference. So what difference? First, take a 40 minus 35, you'll get a 5. Second, 50 minus 40, you got a 10. Then third, 50 minus 35, you got a 15. Now, which is the least number which divides 35, 40 and 50? So my 5 is the least number which divides 35, 40 and 50. So my least number, you have to find here, find the least difference which divides all numbers. So that will be your HCF. So here my 5 will divide all the numbers, 10 will not divide, 15 will not divide. So least number is here 5. So your HCF is 5. Your HCF is 5. So this is the when 3 numbers are given. Okay, when 3 numbers are given. Now one more smallest number I'll take. You people try. What will be the HCF of 12, 30 and 84? 12, 30 and 84. Apply this method and tell. So you got a difference 18. That is correct. 30 minus
Yes,
12, you got a 18. Okay. And 84 minus 30, you got a 54. And 84 minus 12, you got a 62. So least number is 18. But 18 not divides this. So take a factors. Take a factors of 18. 18 के factors क्या होंगे? 2, 3, 6, 9. इनमें से कौन सा नंबर तीनों को डिवाइड करेगा? So in the factors of 18, so your 2 will not divide all the numbers, your 3 will not divide, so your 6 will divide all the number because your 9 will not divide. So here HCF is 6, not 18. Okay, so your HCF is 6. Yes, your HCF is 6 because after 18, after differentiation, again you check whether my number will, given number will divide or not. So it's not dividing, take a factors. So factors को ले लो, अगर factors में कौन सा number, smallest number is taking, smallest or whatever number, and that number will be the answer for your given question. Okay, so this is the one method. Okay, this is the one method. Any doubt in this methods? Any doubt in this method?
no,
Okay then. Okay then. We'll go to next one. See who are all missed my classes. So what I'm doing, I'm uploading these all recordings in the YouTube. because what happened, I cannot. Okay, so I'll take a method 3. Method 3. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take one question. HCFF 36 and 45. 36 and 45. So this is the normal method. What you have to do, take a common between 36 and 45. So smallest common between 36 and 45 is 3. So 3 divides 36 and 3 divides 45. Okay, so I'll take a 3 as a smallest or a common number. Take a common number. Take a common digit between these two, between 36 and 45. Okay, so if I take a 3, it divides by 12 and it divides by 15. Okay, then again, if you take again 3, so if I take again 3, 3 4s are 3 5s are. Okay, so your, what is your HCF now? HCF is 3 into 3 is a 9. So these 4 and 5, what become? These becomes a co-primes. What is a co-prime? So they won't divide by themselves or any other number. Only one can divide, but 5 will not divide by any other number. Okay, so this is the one thing. So you take a common, 3 is a common here, 12 and 15, and again 3 is a 4 and 5. So your HCF is 9. Okay, and same way, I'll take a one more example. 96 and 404. So HCF is what? So common between 96 and 404 is 2. Okay, so common between 96 and 404 is 2, and I'll just take it. 48 2s are 96 and 202 is a 404, and again I'll take a 2 as a common. It is a 24 and it is 101. Now further I cannot take anything common, so what I'll do here, HCF is what? 2 into 2. So here 4 is a HCF. So 4 is a HCF. So similarly, I'll give one more example. You people try that. Third one, 513 1134 1215. So what is the HCF? What is the HCF? Take a common number and then start moving. I'll just rub these two. Yes, anybody? So here 3, see how to do here. 3 is a common. See, you have know the divisibility methods. 3 in the sense 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, so it divides by 3. And next, so how to take a common? See, 5 plus 1 plus 3 is a 9, which divides by 3, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, so which divides by 3. Again 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, which divides by 3. So what is the common in all numbers? 3. So take a 3 as a common number. 513 1134 1215. So 3 ones are 371. Okay, next 3378. Next 405. देन अगेन ये 3 से डिवाइड होगा क्या चेक करो. 7 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, so that will go by 9, 3, and 4 plus 5 is 9 by 3, so that also will go by 3. So इधर और एक बार 3 से करो. 3 5 जा 3 7, next 3 1 2 6, next 3 1 3 5. और एक बार चेक करो. 5 plus 7 is 12, 3 से होगा. 1 plus 8 is 9, 3 से होगा. And 8 plus 4 plus 5 9, again 8 से होगा. So here it will go again by 3. So what? 319, then 342, then 345. Now it will won't go by 9. क्यों? इधर 1 plus 9 is 10. 9 now 3 से होगा ना 9 से होगा. So 4 plus 2 is 6. It won't go. 4 plus 5, only one will go, other will not go. So you have to stop here. So because these two becomes a co-prime. Okay, then what is the HCF here? 3 into 3 into 3. So your answer is 27. तो आपका आंसर क्या हो गया? 27 हो गया. Okay. So take a common number, just move. When that common number stops, take a multiple of this common number. So इधर मैंने 3 से स्टार्ट किया, नेक्स्ट 3 से और एक स्टार्ट किया और 3 से इधर स्टॉप हो गया. देन मल्टीप्लाई दिस 3 numbers. Okay, so you will get a answer. So this is the one method. Okay, so I'll just rub this. Now we'll see one more type. We'll see one more type that is given in the, actually it is a textbook method. That is, they'll give find the HCF of the same question. I'll take 513, 1134 and 1215. This will be little lengthier. You can select whichever is comfortable. So हम इसको कैसे करेंगे? 3 numbers है ना. First we'll take these two. We'll try to find out ये दोनों में से कौन सा. We'll find out what will be the HCF. Then इसका HCF इसके साथ combine करेंगे. Then we'll find a HCF of these two. That will be the answer. So कैसे करेंगे? First we'll take we'll take first HCF of 1134 and 1215. कैसे करेंगे? It's a division method. So this method will be called as division method. How to do the division? Take a small number and divide to the bigger number. So here 1134 is a small and 1215 is a bigger. So here 1134 divides 1215. कैसे? 134 ones are 1134. Okay, here 1 8, here is a 0 and here is a 0. Then what we have to do next? 81 आ गया. Next हमको वही आंसर वापस लेना है. 81 divides again 1134 को ले लो इधर. Okay, 1134. So here 1134 कैसे करना है? 81 ones are क्या हुआ? 81. Okay, so here you will get a 2 and here you will get a 3. So here it will get a 4. Then कितने से होगा ये? 4 से होगा. So 3 2 4. So you will get here 0 0. So HCF of 1134 and 1215 is 81. ये लास्ट क्या है? ये है. So this is a 81. So next step is what? Okay, next step is again 81 and 513 को देखना है, उनमें से HCF फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. तो कैसे करना है? टेक अ डिफरेंस. आई विल डू हियर 81 by 513. ओके, सो 81 6 क्या है? 486 है. ओके, सो उसका डिवीजन किया तो क्या होगा? 13 हियर क्या होगा? ये 2, and this is 0. And here 81, 81, 3. So here you got a reminder 0. So here HCF is what? 27. So whole answer is what? In तीनों का HCF क्या आ गया? 27. So this is the one more method, but it is a little lengthier. This is called as a division method. Okay, division method बोलते हैं इसको. थोड़ा ही लेंदी है. इससे अच्छा क्या है? कौन सा था? The previous one, which you can take a common and you can do. Okay. So this is about the. These are the method about the HCF. So now CF. So we'll go next. HC, not HCF. LCM. LCM. So LCM can be what LCM says? Lowest common multiplier or a multiply. Okay, lowest common multiplier. Okay, this is a HCM, lowest common multiplier. So here, what is a normal method? Okay, देखो अभी normal method. If they ask like what is a HC, what if they ask what is the LCM of 3, 4 and 6? Okay, if they ask what is the LCM of 3, 4, 6, नॉर्मली क्या फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड बोलते हैं. वो कैसे रहता है? हमको 3 का टेबल लिखना पड़ता है. 3 का टेबल क्या है? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. एंड 4 का मेथड टेबल क्या है? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Yes. And 6 का टेबल क्या है? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. So इनमें से क्या करना पड़ता है? Which is a common number, which is the lowest common number. So अगर आपने देखा तो पहले 3 नहीं है, कॉमन नहीं है, 4 भी कॉमन नहीं है, 6 भी कॉमन नहीं है. So if you take, so here 12 is a common. So here is a 12 is a common. Though this is what here the smallest number which is common in all the things. अगर आप देखें तो इधर 24 है, here भी 24. So here also 24. But what happens? See here, 24 is here, 24 is here, 24. So before 24, 12 is here. So 12 is what? Smallest number compared to a 24. Okay. So 12 is the smallest number compared to 24. So for that reason, therefore, LCM is 12. So lowest common multiplier. Okay. So here the lowest number compared to all the values, 12 is the lowest number. For that reason, your LCM is 12. So this is what? Normal method. And our एक method कैसे था? So if they ask what is the LCM, so you have to write start by a 3, 3 1 जा, ये नहीं होगा, 3 2 जा, then 2 1 जा, 2 2 जा, 2 1 जा, again 2 1 1. So here last में क्या बनना है? 1 बनना है. Okay. So if it reaches the 1 at the last, then consider these 3. 3 into 2 into 2. 4 into 3 is 12. So here your LCM is 12. So this is the second method. So this is the normal method. This is a one more second method what we learned in our schools. So what we have to do? We have to do in different way because these all take a little time to do the things. Okay. So I'll just take a LCM of this today and later we can solve because less people are there. So I'll just take a 2 methods of LCM and I'll close the things. So this is the normal method. I hope you got how to do the LCM. This is what we learned in the schools. Now I'll take a one more method. Okay, and don't neglect this topic like it is a small. So sometime we'll lose a marks because of your small topic negligence. Okay. So I'll take a one more method. What will be the LCM of 23 and 42. Okay, 23 and 42. So here you have to check in this pair prime number is there or not. Okay, इधर prime number दिया है क्या नहीं दिया है check करना है. So here the first number is whether to find, whether to check prime is given or not, prime is there or not. Okay, so here 23 is a prime number. Okay, 23 is a what? Prime number. So अगर आपके ग्रुप में, अगर आपके ग्रुप में एक भी प्राइम नंबर रहा तो सो यू कांट फर्दर मूव टू द स्टेप वाइज. अगर आपके ग्रुप में एक भी प्राइम नंबर रहा तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 23 and 42, whatever answer you will get, that is your LCM. ओके, देखो 23 का कौन से नंबर से भी डिविजिबल नहीं होता है. So in this such cases, directly multiply both the numbers 23 and 42. So if I multiply 23 and 42, you can use a multiplication techniques, or you can do directly 2 3 is 6, 12 and 4 and 8. So 6 and 9. So इसका LCM क्या होगा? 966 होगा, क्योंकि इधर एक प्राइम नंबर दिया है. So similarly, I'll take a one more. What is the LCM of 46 and 34? So 46 and 34 क्या है? Both are not a prime numbers. दोनों प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, क्योंकि both are not a prime numbers. Both are not prime number. क्योंकि 46 भी डिविजिबल होता है, 34 भी डिविजिबल होता है. ओके, सो 34 दो से डिविजिबल होता है, 2 1 जा 2 7 जा. ओके, सेम 2 2 जा 2 3 जा 23. सो इधर क्या करना है? टेक अ कॉमन थिंग. सो फर्स्ट बोथ आर नॉट प्राइम नंबर, देन इफ बोथ आर नॉट अ प्राइम, टेक अ कॉमन थिंग. सो व्हाट इज अ कॉमन हियर? 46 and 34. 2 is a common. So 2 is what? 23 and here 17. So then what happened now here? 23 and 17 both are what? Prime numbers. Okay, 23 भी कौन से divisible नहीं होता है, 17 भी नहीं होता है. So इधर आपको बाद में क्या करना पड़ता है? So to find the LCM, 2 into 23 into 17 करना पड़ता है. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? If you multiply, you'll get an answer as 782. So this is your way to do the one method to find. So अगर आपको प्राइम नंबर मिला, दोनों प्राइम, अगर एक प्राइम मिल था तो मल्टीप्लाई बोथ, एंड इफ बोथ आर नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, टेक अ कॉमन लेने के बाद अगर प्राइम नंबर बन गए, देन मल्टीप्लाई दोज टू विथ अ कॉमन नंबर. So that will become your LCM. Okay, so we'll see one more example. Okay, one more example, like 3 6 7. So I'll take now, that is a one method. I'll take a next method now. Method 2. So method 2 में क्या होता है? Just take one question. 6 12 24 and 48. So what is a HCF? What is a LCM? इनमें से LCM क्या है? So इसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए और एक मेथड है. ओके, कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? Which is the highest number here? Which is the highest number here?
48.
So 48 is the highest number. Okay, so what is the first method? Find out the highest number. So highest number is here 48. Okay, highest number is 48. Okay, so वो 48 सबके साथ डिविजिबल होता है क्या नहीं चेक करो. Okay, नहीं तो if it is not going, just check whether my 48 is divisible by lowest number. Okay, देखो 12 से भी 48 डिविजिबल होता है, 24 से भी डिविजिबल होता है, 6 से भी डिविजिबल होता है. So find least number or a small number which divides 48. So इनमें से स्मॉल नंबर 48 को डिवाइड करने वाला क्या है? 6 है. So 6 is the smallest number which divides 48. Okay, right? No, 8. Okay, the smallest number is 6 which divides the 48. So therefore LCM is 6. So LCM क्या है इसका? Sorry, LCM is what? 48. LCM is 48. Okay, आपका LCM क्या है इधर? 48 है. So what आपका मेथड क्या है इधर? The find a number which divides, find first which is the highest number. वो highest number को all number divide होते हैं कि चेक करो. The smallest number which divides the 48. Yes, smallest number is dividing. Then your LCM is 48. Similarly, I'll take one more example now. Different type, like 5, 20 and 50. 5, 20 and 50. Okay, so here the 50 is the highest number. So I'll take a different number. Wait. 50 you can take, no problem. So 50 is the highest number. So my 50 will divide. I'll take 60. 60 I'll take. So 60 is the highest number. Okay, 60 is the highest number. So my 5 will divide 60. Yes, 15, 12 5 is 60. Okay, मेरा 65 से डिविजिबल होता है, मेरा 60 20 से भी डिविजिबल होता है. So इसका LCM क्या है? इसका LCM is 60. Okay, so LCM is 60. So here these two examples are what which you can find easily. So I'll take one more example. See now, third example, 5, 15, 20 and 30. So here देखो अभी 30 is the highest number. Okay, 30 is the highest number. Just check whether my 30 divides by all the numbers. नहीं divide करेगा. 5 से 5 can divide 30, 15 can divide 30, but 20 cannot divide 30. So what you have to do? Make a 60 in such a way like my all three numbers should divide. कैसे करना है? अभी 30 मुझे तीनों नंबर से नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ दो नंबर से हो रहा है, 5 से एंड 15 से हो रहा है, 20 से नहीं कटेगा. सो उसको लिए क्या करना है? चेंज 30 विच कैन डिवाइड बाय ऑल द नंबर्स. तो अगर मैं 30 को इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई 30 into 2, it will become a 60. Okay, it will become a 60. Now 60 will be divided by 5. Yes. 60 will divide by 15. Yes. 60 will divide by 20. Yes. 60 will divide by 30. Yes. So what I did, I changed the 30 into 60. So here my LCM is 60. So here my LCM is 60. Okay. Similarly, I'll give one more example. You people try 7, 14 and 13. 17, 14 and 13. What is the LCM? (17, 14 and 13). So here 14 is the highest number. Okay, so my 7 will divide 14. No worry, leave the 7. But 13 cannot leave the 14. So I say तो if I make a 14 into 2, which is what? 28. Again my 28 will not divide 13. And if you make a 14 into 3, so here 12 and here 52. So my 13 will not divide sa 52 क्योंकि 13 क्या है, प्राइम नंबर है. So इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, just multiply 14 into a 13. If you multiply 14 into a 13, 182. So here LCM is 182 because here is a prime number. अगर कौन सा भी प्राइम नंबर आ गया, डोंट वरी, जस्ट डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई विद द रिमेनिंग वन नंबर because one number is divisible by 14. 14 divides 7, so leave that 7. 14 and 13 remains. You cannot do with any multiply, only with the 13 only you can do. So your LCM is 182. Okay, so I'll give one more example. You people try this. Fifth one, 4, 12, 17 and 24. So what is a LCM? What is the LCM? क्योंकि देखो अभी 24 is the highest number. Okay, so 4 will divide 40, 24. 12 will divide 24, but 17 will not divide at 24. और 17 क्या है अभी, प्राइम नंबर है. So what is the answer now? Directly you can say प्राइम नंबर आ गया इधर. So आपको क्या करना है, प्राइम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So आपका आंसर क्या आ गया इधर, 408.
408.
So this is your answer. Okay, so this is about the one more method. This is the second method. So I'll tell one method last. Okay, so next method is to find a LCM. For example, I'll take a 50, 51 and 52. Okay, so here just see, is it contain a prime number? What is the condition? Check whether given number contain given numbers contain प्राइम नंबर. ओके, देखो 50 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, 51 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, 52 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं. सो इसका एलसीएम क्या होगा? सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट मेथड, थर्ड मेथड. जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दिस थ्रू 50, 51, 52. ओके, सो इनको मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मुझे क्या आएगा आंसर, 132,600 आएगा. ओके, सो इसको क्या करना है, divide by 2. So you get an answer that is 66300. So is a LCM. When to divide by 2? अगर इनमें से कौन सा भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं रहना है. ओके, the given number, if the given numbers not contain any prime number, if the given numbers not contain any prime number, then multiply all the numbers and divide by 2, you'll get a LCM of that number. Same way, I'll take one more example. What is the LCM of 14, 15 and 16? देखो 14 is also not a prime number, 15 is also not a prime number and 16 is also not a prime number. तीनों से तीनों डिवाइड होते हैं. So multiply all three. 14 into 15 into 16. If you multiply all three, you will get a 3360. Divide by 2 because it not contain any prime number. So आपका LCM क्या होगा, इसका आंसर आएगा 1680 is your LCM. 1680 is a LCM. Then one more doubt comes. If anyone is a prime in this case, okay, so if the third question, if any one number is a prime, देखो 19, 20 and 21. So in this 19 is a prime number. Okay, so this is a prime. Then what you have to do, don't divide by 2, take a direct number, 19, 20 and 21. So your answer will come 7980. So this is your LCM. Okay, so if your prime number contains, directly multiply. If it is not a prime number in the series, multiply and divide by 2. You will get a LCM directly. So this is the third method of LCM. Okay, any doubts? Okay then. So these are the three methods of LCM. Now they'll ask one question in such a way that what they'll ask, they'll give one question: reduce 391 by 664 to lowest form. Okay, they'll ask a question like this. क्या पूछते हैं, एक फ्रैक्शन नंबर दे रहे थे 391,664, उसको हमको क्या करना है, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर करना है और सिंप्लीफाई नंबर करना है. So what we have to do in this case, you have to use a concept of HCF. So here use a concept HCF method. क्या करना है, find HCF of 391 and 664. Okay, 399 and 664 का HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो HCF फाइंड आउट किए तो इनका हमको क्या मिलता है, HCF is here, HCF is 23. सो इन दोनों का HCF क्या आएगा, 23 आएगा. देन कैसे रेड्यूस करना है, टेक अ क्वेश्चन 391 and 664 डिवाइड बाय 23 and 23. दोनों को क्या करना है, अपर डिवाइड बाय 23 एंड लोअर डिवाइड बाय 23. अगर दोनों को डिवाइड किए बाय 23, आपको क्या आएगा आंसर, 17 ऊपर आएगा एंड नीचे क्या आएगा, 29. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. सो हियर यू हैव टू यूज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ HCF. ओके, यू हैव टू यूज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ HCF. ओके, समझ में आया कैसे स्मॉल करने के लिए HCF यूज करना है. टेक अ HCF and multiply, sorry, divide. Okay, this is a one question they'll ask, just note it down. And one more type question comes, like yes
23.
if they given in a point.